At Dental Sleep Profits, we talk a lot about going above and beyond for the patient, setting yourself apart from other offices, creating a lasting impression. One of the ways you can do that, after a patient comes in for a consultation, handwrite them a letter. And with that letter, what you're going to want to include in that, you're going to have to comment below to request what that letter might sound like or an example. We can send that to you. But what you're going to want to include with that letter is 2 pre-packaged pastries, brownies, cookies, whatever. What you're going to do with that, you're going to send it to the patient. They're going to get that. These are for patients who are thinking about moving forward with treatment. When they receive those brownies or those cookies with a handwritten letter from the doctor or sleep coordinator, it's going to blow them away. A good percentage of those people who were on the fence are now going to be pushed over the fence toward moving forward with treatment. They're going to figure out how to make it work financially. They're going to figure out how to overcome that deductible. They're going to move forward with treatment. You're going to see a lot of cases move forward as a result of going above and beyond with a simple letter and a couple pastries.